Your next mission commences immediately. It has come to our attention that while operations are focused on protecting the gears in their gearboxes, subversive elements are gaining a foothold in another component, the bearings. Your mission is to stop these enemy agents before they can attack.
Bearing problems are actually the leading cause of gearbox failures. All the things that assault your gears, such as shock loading, contaminants, and micro-pitting, often threaten your bearings first.
When a bearing starts to wear, the shaft wobbles and the gears lose proper alignment, which causes more wear and even total failures. Look for leaking seals, rising temperatures, unusual noises, and vibration as signs of trouble.
You can protect your equipment with our premium Meropa gear oils. Typically, one grade can be used to protect both bearings and gears.
Experts from the Industrial Performance Group can help with proper lubricant selection, as well as maintenance practices to help you extend drain intervals, minimize downtime, and optimize equipment durability. Bearing protection is vital to your operation. It is imperative that you initiate this mission now. HQ is standing by for your questions.